Godspeed to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals, they take us higher. The night's young and it's just begun as she puts her hand in mine. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Yay! Hi, how you doing? Alright, so if you're new here, what are you still doing? Don't forget to click the subscribe button and turn on your notifications so you don't miss a video from me. Alright, so in today's video I'll be sorting out my clothes that I need to give to Goodwill. Clothes I haven't worn in a long time, clothes that are small, or clothes that I probably will not wear again. Yeah, so let's get into this video. Alright guys, so after going through all three bags, this is the final product. It's not much, but you know, it's something. This is going to Goodwill. Alright guys, so I'll definitely have to fill this bag before I take it to Goodwill. Yep. Alright, so this is the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video.